Welcome you all to Love Literature. This is a lecture series on project writing tips. Project writing tips part 2, steps in writing project. In this video series, this is part 2, we are going to see the primary steps involved in project writing. These are the 5 important steps to be followed for writing a project report or dissertation for MA English Literature. Number 1, selection of the topic. Number 2, collection of primary and secondary sources. Number 3, reading and writing. Number 4, typing. Number 5, binding the dissertation and submission. Please refer to our videos on the selection of the topic and writing a project proposal. We need to choose a broad area of interest first. And then we should pick an author, theme or genre we can analyze deeply. Then narrow it down to a researchable topic. Finally start working with a tentative title. This fixing up a working title will give us clarity on the path of our research. Collection of primary and secondary sources. Primary texts include the novels, plays, poems, short stories, memoirs, biographies, travelogues, non-fiction, etc. you are analyzing. We shall buy primary books from bookstores, online shopping, or borrowing books from libraries. Secondary sources, journal articles, books, theses, interviews, newspaper articles, web sources, etc. Reading and writing. The next major step is reading deeply the major critical works, articles, and essays related to your topic. Sources include primary texts, library books, theses at university library, critical essays, articles in research journals, JSTOR, Google Scholar, other web sources. Highlight and organize the points from what the other scholars have already said. We can identify research gaps that we could address in our dissertation. Take notes and pinpoint the following themes, symbols, motifs, character development, and narrative techniques. Start writing the chapter-wise dissertation. Please refer to our exclusive video on writing the chapter-wise dissertation. Typing. Format the dissertation. Follow university guidelines. Usually, font Times New Roman 12 points. Spacing 1.5 or double. Margin 1 inch. Citation MLA 9th edition, common in English literature. Word count 12,000 to 20,000, varies by university. Include title page, declaration, supervisor's certificate, acknowledgement, abstract, table of content, chapters, bibliography, appendix if any. The final step is binding the dissertation and submission. But before that, revise and proofread thoroughly. Check for grammar and clarity, logical flow, consistency in citations, proper formatting. You may ask your supervisor or peers to review. Submit and prepare for Viva. Decide upon the number of copies to be printed and the binding style. Once submitted, prepare to defend your dissertation for Viva. Explain your topic, justify your theoretical approach, present your findings, foresee questions, and prepare answers. Thanks for watching. Hope you have found the video very useful. Like, share, follow and subscribe Love Literature for more videos.